Hey there, welcome to the ReportRighter free trial tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start using ReportRighter for free for 30 days to see how much time and money you're going to save by automating your reports. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to engsuite.org/reportwriter/free trial. There is a link up at the top and also in the description so you can get right here. What's going to happen is once you load the page, it's going to ask you to sign in. Okay, so this will use your organization sign in. So however your organization does it, it's going to come up here. It's going to take you through your organization. That's a very key point. You want to make sure you're using your business email, your work email. That way, your company can start benefiting right away. Okay, so I'm going to select my account that I want to sign into. And now that I'm signed in, it's going to say, welcome, Lucius the Framboys. I know that it worked. It says my name. And it gives you a little prompt. Click the Start Free Trial button to begin my free trial. Great, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Give it a moment to load. My free trial has been successfully created. It's now active and will end 1 month from today. For instructions, please watch this video. All right, so you can click that button and it'll take you to the video. Or since you already watched this one, stay here and it'll show you what your next steps are. One key thing I want to make sure you're aware of is that the person that clicks that Start Free Trial button is in fact the person that is the one that will be using it, okay? So if you are the person that's going to be using the free trial, make sure you go to the website. But if you have somebody that does a lot of your documentation for you, send them there. And this is all that person can do. The next steps are for IT or whoever your Microsoft admin is. So make sure you figure out who that person is and you send them the next half of this video so they can launch it for you. So one of your employees is now ready to use the ReportRighter free trial. They've already logged in and someone in your organization sent you as the Microsoft admin a request to load the ReportRighter free trial into their account. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center, so admin.microsoft.com, and then in your admin portal, you're going to go in here and you're going to search for integrated apps. So go ahead and search integrated apps. You're going to click on that button. So now that you're in the integrated apps page, you're going to go right here and click the Upload Custom Apps button. Then you're going to select the app type as an Office add-in. You're going to select Provide Link to Manifest File. And in here, you're going to paste the link. This link will be sent to the person that started the free trial, or if they didn't get it and cannot give it to you and can't find it, you can always request it at rr.help@engsuite.org. Again, that's rr.help@engsuite.org. The manifest is also located in the link, and just because you have the manifest does not mean that they can access it until you have the account. That's why they go through the Start Free Trial procedure. So after you've included the manifest file, you will click Validate. And you'll give it a second. Now it says the manifest file has been validated, and then you're going to click Next. You're going to say this is not a test deployment, and then you can assign users. And you're going to select specific users, and this will pull up everybody in your organization. And you're going to select the user that did the free trial, okay? So in this case, it was myself, but sometimes it might not be you. Now, you're going to click Next. You're going to accept the permissions, because what this allows ReportRighter to do is it needs to read and write document data so that it can read from Excel and write into Word, and it wants to send and receive data. What that means is that none of your data will ever be leaving your computer. It just means that when you open up ReportRighter, it's going to check to make sure that you are indeed a paying customer, and it's going to validate that you have permission to use ReportRighter. Okay, so then you're going to accept permissions. This requires you to sign in. It will go through your organization sign-in, and it's going to ask you if you accept these. Okay, it'll give you a little information, and then you're going to click Accept. Now that you've accepted permissions, you'll click Next, and you will click Finish Deployment. And then you'll wait until the deployment finishes. Once the deployment is finished, you as the admin are now done. The next step goes back to the person that will be initiating the free trial, because in not every case will it automatically load into their runtime. They may have to manually load it. So please, if you are the person that is actually going to be using the free trial, please stick around for just a little bit longer. All right, so thank you for following me back into Word here. Now you as the person that will be using the free trial will have to load the add-in into your runtime. So what you're going to do is once you have Word loaded, you are going to go into the Insert tab, and then you're going to click My Add-ins. In here, you're going to go to the Add-in Managed tab, and you'll probably have to refresh it. And there you'll see ReportRighter. So what you want to do is click on it and click Add, and now you are ready to go. Now, in Excel, it might also require you to follow these same exact instructions going into the insert and then selecting it. But there you go. Now you are ready to use ReportRighter. And isn't that awesome? There you go. Works like a charm. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please do something awesome.